Right. So, good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? Good evening to we are actually increasing, no? So, good evening to our 11 participants. And of course, welcome to our summer special webinar that is Sail Through Summer with My FMS, your first MetroSec navigation guide. So again, I'd like to welcome our participants, and also I'd like to thank you for joining us this evening. So we just had a break yesterday, no? So I hope you all had a nice and well-deserved midweek break. So before anything else, let me just introduce myself again. My name is Joanna Blanca Ramos. I am the Business Development Associate of First Metro Securities, and I am glad to be your host for tonight. I am also joined by Miss Hazel Sabile from our digital channels and marketing team, who will provide technical support all throughout our webinar. So we are all excited to have you here tonight. So I hope you are all settled and also you enjoyed the break yesterday. And speaking of breaks, pansin nyo ba na super init lately, no? So I hope you are all hydrated and as well as you have your sunblock with you to avoid yung mga problems na makukuha natin sa too much exposure sa sunlight. So from this, we all know that summer is definitely in full swing. So whether kahit nasa beach na kayo or kahit nasa bahay na kayo, nakaharap kayo sa aircon. So I hope you are all in good condition. So kahit na napakainit sa labas, we're about to make your investing experience cooler and smoother inside. So with a quick and easy tour of the first MetroSec My platform. So tonight, I'll be your personal navigation guide. I'm gonna show you how to explore the features of our platform, and I'll make it easy to follow, So it's perfect for both new and seasoned users. And I'll do my best to cover all the important features of the platform in the next hour. And we'll also be answering your questions live later, as we will be having a Q&A session. So feel free to drop them in the Q&A panel as we go along. But before we dive into tonight's session, I'll just share to you something about First Metro Securities. So again, we are First MetroSec. We are the licensed stock brokerage arm of the Metro Bank Group. So at First MetroSec, our business development and market education team is all about promoting financial literacy to every Filipino because we believe that informed investing leads to empowered futures. So I'm just gonna show you a quick video, It's a summary of the activities we conducted last year, So just some of the initiative we've done to support that mission.
We put your future first. Backed by the Metrobank Group, First MetroSec provides the best service through different tools and platforms. You can invest in multiple assets in pesos and US dollars. Diversify your portfolio with the country's leading managed funds through FundSmart, and gain access to the country's best trading platforms through web or level up with Pro. Plus trade anywhere with First MetroSec Go. All this and more through the trusted and multi-awarded First MetroSec. Easily open your account today. on the go? Here's First Metrosec Go for you. Easily open your account today with this app. You can download the First Metrosec Go app through Play Store or App Store for free. If you already have it on your device, simply open the app and click Sign Up Now. Next, you need to create a user ID, read and agree to the terms, and provide these information. Once you're done, click the link on the email verification sent. Now, let's complete your account application. First, input your account information. Then, provide your user information. Next, accomplish the investor profile form. Almost there! Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Agree. You will then receive your reference number through the app. Don't forget to save this number because you will need it for your initial deposit. Next, upload or take a photo of these requirements. 1 valid ID, 3 signatures on a piece of white paper, proof of address, and proof of bank account. If you're self-employed, there are additional requirements. Now let's fund your account. You can make your initial deposit through bills payment, online fund transfer, over-the-counter deposit, or remittance. The minimum 5,000 pesos or $100 can be used to invest in stocks, funds, and bonds. There is no maintaining balance required. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Simply take a photo of your ID and take a selfie. You're all set. An email confirmation will be sent to you in 2 to 3 business days. Happy trading! For more information, visit our help center at help.firstmetrosec.com.ph. All the options and convenience within your reach through International Finance's best online broker and best online trading platform for 4 years in a row. With First Metrosec, it's your future first.
We put your future first. Backed by the Metrobank Group, First Metrosec provides the best service through different tools and platforms. You can invest in multiple assets in pesos and US dollars. Diversify your portfolio with the country's leading managed funds through FundSmart and gain access to the country's best trading platforms through web or level up with Pro. Plus trade anywhere with First Metrosec Go. All this and more through the trusted and multi-awarded First Metrosec. Easily open your account today.
Ayun, thank you so much, Miss Hazel. Again, I'm so sorry everyone, no? Nagkaroon lang ng technical difficulty na wala bigla yung internet sa office. But anyway, again, so before I begin, I'd just like to say good evening to our 13 participants, no? Medyo dumami na tayo. So let me just continue with my presentation. Naputol ako doon sa part where I showed you the initiatives of the Business Development and Market Education team. But let me just move forward now onto my next slide. That is, I'm gonna show you some of the webinars we've done so far. So baka may na-miss kayo no, sa some of these webinars na pwede ninyong balikan since some of it, or actually majority of it, no, uploaded siya sa official YouTube channel ng First Metro Securities. So what are the webinars we've conducted? So first, we have here the beginner-friendly series. So ito yung tinatawag namin na the basics, no, or the 101s. So we've covered topics like Stock Market 101, Bonds 101, and also Mutual Funds 101. So this is perfect if you're just starting out or want to build a solid foundation when it comes to investing. Next, we also host webinars no, on market outlook. That is great for expert insights on what's happening in the market and what to watch out for. And of course, we have sessions like this one where we walk you through the platforms of First Metro Securities, that is step by step, para mas confident kayo when managing your investments. Okay, but let's start with the basics muna. So again, just like what I said, First Metro Securities is a multi-asset platform, meaning you can invest not just in stocks, but also in bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and REITs, all in one place. So that's why it's very convenient for you. And also, we have different platforms to match your investing lifestyle. So we have here the First MetroSec Pro. Pro is designed and built for active traders who need advanced tools no, and real-time data. We also have here the First MetroSec Classic and the First MetroSec Go Up. Now, the First MetroSec Go Up is perfect for those who like to invest on the go. And of course, the star for tonight's session, no, the First MetroSec My Platform. So again, I'll be showing you all the features and how it can make your investing experience even smoother. But before that, I'd like to have a quick feel lang no, of our attendees. Since medyo madami na tayo ngayon, so I just wanna know if yung mga attendees ba natin ngayon have an existing account with First MetroSec. If ever na meron kayong account na no, so what platform are you using ba? And of course, to those na wala pang account with First MetroSec, and since you've attended this session, no, I'm curious as well if what would make you consider First MetroSec as your partner in your investment journey. So again, if meron na kayong account kay First MetroSec, ano ba yung ginagamit ninyo na platform? And also, if ever yung mga wala pang account pero nag-join sa webinar, ano kaya yung possible reason or consideration bakit kayo mag-open ng account with us? So just to share lang, before I became part of First MetroSec, I also am a client and I am using the First MetroSec Pro platform. So it's perfect for the advanced traders na din. Okay, so I hope I get a response no from our attendees. Pero anyway, yan. So we have here from Ma'am Mary Prado. So she is using First MetroSec Pro, and also to Mr. Romel Maliaga. He is also using Pro and Go. Okay, Mr. Paul Aquino. Mr. Paul Aquino, I think you've attended din no, some of our webinars. So you are using First MetroSec Go. So again, thank you so much no, for all your responses. And before that, I'd like to take this as opportunity na din. No? So if you have an account with us, this webinar is to help you level up your know-how and how to make the most of the First MetroSec platform. To those naman na wala pang account with us, I'm here to show you how First Metro Securities can be a valuable partner in your investing journey. So as I go along, I'll cover some of the topics shown. No? So these are our points of discussion. First is effortless navigation. So I'll show you how to easily navigate the platform and find all the tools you'll need for trading and investing. Next is spotting opportunities. So I'll walk you through how to use the market research, yung watch list, screeners, and analytics tools no, to spot promising stocks, sectors, and trends. And then we also have tracking the market. So we will explore how to check the charts, set alerts, and use technical indicators to stay on top of the real-time price movements ng market. Also, do-it-yourself trading. So if you are confident and ready to start trading, I'll guide you through the process of the buying and selling of stocks, placing orders, and also managing your trades directly sa platform. And then lastly, I'll show you how to track your portfolio performance. That is by checking your gains, losses, and allocation. So at least you have an idea about your investments. So let me start the live navigation. So I'll share here. The website address of First Metro Securities, my platform, is my.firstmetrosec.com.ph. So you can actually use kung ano yung preferred ninyo na browser. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. So I guess, yan, ito na yung visible na din yung platform. Okay, so let me start with the navigation. If you have an account with us, all you have to do is to input lang your username and your password. So again, your credentials, usually ginagawa ninyo if you start, before you open an account, you submit the requirements. So here is the platform. Yan. So the first thing you'll see when you log in is yung announcement tab natin. Well, some of you here, usually they just close the announcement. But I also suggest na you read on some announcements. We have here, just like this one, meron tayong system advisory. So meaning nito, the platforms is inaccessible during those dates. Tapos yung account update natin, and then the revised settlement schedule. So basically, after you're done reading, you can just close this one. So now we have here the First Metro Sec My platform. Let me also enable the full screen. Okay. So design-wise, it's very simple, pero it's very interactive then. And also, all of the information you will see, useful talaga siya when it comes to your investing. So first, we have here tabs like Home tab, Quotes tab, Trade tab, Portfolio, Research, Chart, and News. So we're gonna explore this one by one later, no? First, let me just head over sa ating Profile tab. So located ito siya sa upper right part of the platform, no? You will see here this test-mic. Ito yung OTA ninyo. And then, beside is your full name. You also have here the details of your login, your last login, and then last logout. And then you have here the option to change your password. We usually send out a notification that you are required to update your password, usually mga every 3 months. So you can skip naman that one. However, we really suggest you update your password for security purposes. So you can change your password through the Profile tab. And then you have here alert settings and account maintenance. Now, these two actually undergoing pa ito siya ng maintenance. So hopefully, okay na ito siya so that you will receive the morning and closing prices through your email as well as updating your account through the platform na din. Next is we have here the funds dashboard. We will explore this one later then. And also yung account dashboard. And also, I'm going to show it to you later. So let's go back to stocks and then explore na the Home tab. So the first one you will see here, we have the ticker. The ticker is actually visible if the market is open. So ngayon, since the market is closed, so we'll just hide this one. So ito yung mga tumatakbo na green, yellow, and red numbers. So that's the ticker tape. So you also have here customization. If you want to hide yung right strip or show the right strip, you can also do that. And you have here the trade calculator. So this is one of the ways to check yung possible ninyo na net profit and the percentage gain. So just a sample, sa commission rate, you just have to input 0.0025. You just commission to 0, since wala na yung 20 pesos na minimum commission. So we have here, if you're planning to buy a stock and then check yung net profit ninyo, so you can do it here sa trading calculator. So say you wanna buy, so sabihin natin you wanna buy 1,000 shares of JFC. And then, let's just check no kung magkano na yung price ng JFC ngayon. Okay. The closing price of JFC is 214.80. So again, JFC quantity, sabihin natin 1,000 na lang. And then the price is 214.80. So, okay. So, ito yung gross ninyo and then as well as the commission charges. You will also see here yung net ninyo. And then if ever naman you wanna sell na Jollibee, sabihin natin at the price of 25, if ever lang, umabot siya ng 25. Ay, bakit siya? JFC is 214.8. And then sabihin natin umabot siya ng 220. So this is your possible net profit and the percentage gain. So just a disclaimer, no, the values presented are only indicative. Yung exact and official value are presented sa confirmation advice, which is yung sa trade tab na we will explore din later. So basically, yun yung ating trade calculator. Now going back sa ating home tab, you have here the market tab. Basically, it will just show you kung ano yung nangyari sa market. So you have here a line graph, no? The time the market opened until it closed. And then we also have here yung donut chart. So you will see here that the market or the PSEI closed at 6,077.82. That is up by 71.48 points, equivalent to 1.19% with a total value turnover of 11.12 billion. So the green one, this represents the stocks that went up. The red one, stocks that went down. Itong orange, ito yung mga unchanged stocks. So next, you will also see here the local and foreign participation. So from this, no, you can identify na the market was dominated by foreigners. 70% of the transactions were from the foreigners. You can also see here na yung ating local trades, they are net buyers because of the 4.01 billion trade transactions. Yung ating foreigners naman, they are net sellers. Next, you have here quick glance of the performance ng indices natin in percentage. And then below, you will see this second na dot, no? Which shows you yung inyong top 5 na top gainers, worst losers, and most active. So if you click any of these codes, you will be redirected to another tab. That is the quotes tab, which is under the stock info. So let's just go back lang sa ating home tab. Next, we have here the watch list. So in all of the platforms na offers MetroSec, you can create up to 5 watch lists with up to 30 stocks per watch list. So again, depende na sa inyo kung ano yung preference. Maybe make watch list number 1, your portfolio, no? Watch list number 2, ito yung REITs. Watch list number 3, ito yung mga may latest na mga stock news, no? Just like itong CIRTEC. And then others, mga dividend yield stocks or the stocks under PSEI. Now, the watch list is integratable sa other parts ng ating platform. I'm gonna show you later, no, kung how that works. Next, sa middle part naman, we have here quick glance of your portfolio. So you have here yung total portfolio, the inyong day profit and loss, unrealized and the realized, and also your stock portfolio. You will also see here yung inyong cash. So if ever na meron kayong withdrawable, so it will be shown also yung funds for clearing and your buying power and then your earmark fund. So if ever you submitted an intent, no, sa corporate bonds, so usually ini-earmark namin yan. So next, we have here the announcements and then research reports and then the PSE market news. Next, we have the quick trade. Actually, I'm gonna show this later, no, kung paano din siya gamitin. Next, we have the portfolio. So since this is a demo account, so wala tayong makikitang details, pero it is presented in donut chart. So portfolio sa stocks, sa funds, sa bonds, as well as your cash. So basically, that is your home tab. So quick glance, kung ano yung nangyari sa market, quick glance of your portfolio, quick trade as well, and then your watch list. So next, we have here the quotes tab. So under quotes tab, we have here market, stock, broker, index, and stat. So basically under market, we have these three: multiple bid and ask, and stock rotation. So starting with the multiple bid and ask, you will see here the by default the top 5 bid and ask volume and price of your stocks. So just like what I said kanina, yung watch list is integratable sa other parts of the platform. If you see this plus sign, if you click this one, so you have the option to filter the kind of data you want to retrieve. So sabihin natin you want to check the multiple bid and ask of your watch list number 2. So you just click watch list number 2, and then there you have it, yung inyong REITs ng mga stocks and their top 5 bid and ask volume and prices. Next, the bid and ask. If ever dun sa multiple bid and ask, top 5. Ito naman sa bid and ask is yung top top bid and ask transaction. So as compare, so sabihin natin watch list number 2. We have here AREIT. The bid volume is 3,400. The bid price is 38.75. So if you go here, this one. So ito yung nakikita ninyo. It matches naman, no? So 3.4 yung bid volume, 38.75 yung bid price. Additional numbers lang or data na makikita is we have here the last price of the stock, its price difference, its percentage change together with its volume and value. Good thing is you can sort this one, no? You just click the top column. So sabihin natin you wanna check the stock that has the biggest volume. So you have here RCR. And then same thing with the value. So you have here RCR pa din. Aside from watch list number 2, you can also check the predefined. So we have here the stocks under PSEI. So basically, yun yung ating bid and ask. Stock quotation, you have here the data ng stock ninyo, its previous price, its opening, high, low, and last price. So meron din yung price difference and the percentage change, as well as the total volume, value, and the number of trades. You can actually sort this one as well. So depende na sa data na gusto ninyong i-check. So basically, yun yung market tab. It's about the activity of the market. Now we have here the stock tab. So we have your stock info, time and sales, volume review, and the buyers and sellers. So starting with the stock info, by default, you will see the top 10 bid and ask, volume, and price of the stock. Pero you have the option to view yung top 5 lang. And then below that, you have naman the time and sales transactions. So from the time the market opened and also during the runoff and the closure ng market. So you will also see the price, the volume, the value, and the brokers involved. So we have here mga brokers below. Next, we have the disclosures and then the company news as well. So if ever lang you want to check the news related sa company, so you can easily access both disclosure and company news dito sa stock info tab. Next, we have here price quotation beside, no? The number here is actually the closing price of the stock. And then you have here its price difference in terms of points and percentage. And also yung kanyang price quotation. Additional data you will see if you want to compare the stock's price depende na sa timetable na gusto niyo i-check. So we have here, compare the stock's price in the last 52 weeks, 9 months, 6 months, 3 months, and 1 month. So from here, you will see the lowest price of SM in the last 52 weeks is 744. And then its highest price is 1,007. And it is currently trading at 800 pesos. And then next, we have here the top 5 volume. So basically, ito lang yung total ng top 5 volume na you will see here. So top 5 na bid, So that is 52,100. So if you just total this one, same with ask. So if you total mo lang ito, so basically that's 880. Now, quick trade, going back na sa quick trade, if you wanna buy SM, kahit na nandito ka pa, I mean, you don't want to go muna sa trade, you can actually do quick trade through this part of the platform na. So all you have to do is input the stock. So that is SM. And then volume. If you are not familiar sa volume, you can actually click the drop down. So you have here SM, you can trade it by 10. No? So here, just input 70 and then the price. So we have here 800.50. And then set the expiry. So if it's good for the day, good till week, and good till month. And then you have here value. So you will also see the charges breakdown now if ever you hover the mouse dito sa value. And then if you are okay with the order, you just click buy. For this, since we are using demo account lang, no? So buying power is 0. And then to confirm your order, you just have to input your password. And then you click confirm. So if you are okay with the order, if you confirm the order already, click na lang yung view orders and you will be redirected sa view orders tab. Okay, so next we have here the time and sales. So basically, ito lang yung time and sales transactions ng SM from the time the market opened until yung sa closing. Next, we have here the volume review naman. So again, the volume review, it helps you identify, gives you also a more accurate picture of what a stock's average price throughout the day by factoring in trading volume. So as you can see, yung volume weighted average price ni SM is nasa 788.84.76. You will also see here the number of average trades. Now, the volume weighted average, big investors usually use this one, to check if their trades are well executed, and then also to avoid buying too far or above, buying too far above or selling too far below the volume weighted average price. Okay, so next we have here the buyers and sellers. So basically, buyers and sellers, ito lang yung mga brokers na bumili at nagbenta ng SM. So you will see here all of the brokers and then their equivalent volume, value, average, and percentage weight. So basically, yun yung ating stock tab. Next is broker tab. So under broker, actually, you will just see, it will help you analyze the broker's activity in detail and also potentially gain an indication of the direction of the market or a stock. So from here, we just rank the activities or transactions of the broker. All of the brokers listed nandito. You can check their total value from the bought and sold value and also its net value. And then their equivalent weight sa lahat ng transactions all throughout the day. And then yung top bought and sold na stock. So for this one, we have SM and also the number of trades. Now, if you click any of these brokers, so let's check FMS, you will be redirected sa broker activity naman. So, under broker activity, you will be able to see kung anong stocks nung broker na yun ang top bought and sold na din. So, we have here, if you are, of course, trading using First Metro Securities, so yung top stock na binibili is Metro Bank. And top sold naman is itong Phoenix. So again, you see the average, the volume, the value, weight, and also the equivalent market volume and value. Again, you have here yung time and sales transaction. So another data lang, it's all about the broker, ito yung total value, the total buying and selling, and other numbers as well. So if you want to check also yung transactions na process, you can actually filter it. Basically, yun lang yung ating broker tab. So it will just show you kung ano yung activity ng brokers. It will help you identify kung ano yung possible market direction and also yung direction ng stock. Next is we have the index. So basically under index, we have index report and index movers. Now, for the index report, it gives you a quick snapshot of the market. It also shows you how the main index and its sub-indices are performing. So you will see each sector's law and also how and what's the price action. So you have here the indices. So we have the finance, industrial, holdings, property, mining and oil, and service. So again, you will see here the previous price of the index, its last price, its price difference, and percentage change. And then you have here the top movers as well, top gainers, top losers, and the most active. So going back sa ating market tab dito sa left side, and then dito sa baba, yung sa left circle, you will only see top 5. Pero dito sa index report, you will see more than the top 5 stocks. Next, we have the index movers. So the index movers, it highlights the biggest stock movers within each index. It also shows you key details now like the price, the market cap, the index weight, and also the percentage change. It will help you spot which stocks are making the biggest impact. So it's a great tool no, for tracking the market trends at a glance. So say if you want to check lang the index mover under a specific sector, so sabihin natin finance, you just click this drop down and then click on finance. So you have here the bank sector. So again, ito yung last price, yung total market capitalization, and other numbers na you wanna check na din. So basically, index report, it will show you the activities no, per index, as well as yung mga movers natin. Next is we have here the stats tab. So under stats tab, basically, you'll find key market data like the top gainers, worst losers, most active, and top traded stocks. So actually, same lang ito silang apat. You can actually filter no if you wanna check the stock, sabihin natin top gainers for the day, for the hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes. It will also help you know, to track real-time trends, especially siguro if you are short-term trader. So 15 minutes, you check this no, from time to time. And also, you will also see the previous price details, no? Yung last price, yung price difference, the percentage change, total value, volume, and the number of trades. So the good thing is you can actually build a watch list, no, based on this data you see sa top gainers, worst losers, most active, and top traded. Another feature is you can actually export the file, no? Para you can, if you want to compare lang the price action, so you can actually do that. Now, let's check the analytics tab. This is where you'll find both technical and fundamental data on stocks. So you can actually compare and cover the price. And also we have here the volume, the number of shares, and also the technical and fundamental aspects, no, as well as the consensus rating. So let's start with the price. So under price, you can compare percentages, changes over different time frames. So we have here, we have the 12 months, 9 months, 6 months, 3 months, and 1 month. And also the average. So you can actually compare as well yung mga period to date prices ng stock. So we have here year to date, at yung semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, weekly, and as well as the average. And another, compare yung prices niya sa different time frames. So we have here yung 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 52-week high and low prices. And we also have here yung year to date na high and low. So you can actually sort this column, no? So depende na sa data that you wanna retrieve. And also you can export this file or data. So again, with volume naman, so compare the stock's volume in 1 month or in the last 3 months, and also check its growth. So we have here, siguro compare yung growth ng isang stock in the last 1 month in terms of the value and volume, as well as yung 3-month na total value and volume. So shares, under shares, you will just see the total market capitalization of a stock. So nandito yung total shares outstanding and yung kanyang equivalent na market capitalization. So to easily navigate or compare, no, you can also click yung upper column. So from here, makikita natin si SM yung merong biggest market capitalization. That is equivalent to almost 982 billion. Okay, another is the technical. So basically under technical, if you are into technical analysis, yung mga moving average, RSI, MACD, so dito nyo makikita sa part of the platform. So you can check the moving average of a stock. So we have here yung 200 period, 150, and 10. And also you can sort this column. So, depende na din sa period, no, na prefer ninyo. So, meron din tayong RSI, the 14 period, 9 period, and 7 period. Also, DMI spread, MACD, and the rate of change. So, if okay sa inyo, na parang tingnan lang yung numbers, no, instead of the charts, so you can actually explore the technical part of the analytics. Next naman is the fundamentals. So we have here, if you are into fundamentals naman, like sa performance ba, or kung sino yung mga board behind. So that's one of the fundamental things, no, na you will check sa company. And also, ito we have here the dividend yield. So if you want to check the stock that gives out the highest dividend, so you can go to the dividend yield tab. So from here, you can just filter, no? So you will see DMC gives out its trailing 12 months dividend per share is 180 and the dividend yield is equivalent to 16.85. So another fundamental aspect is the price to earnings. So you can compare or check the 12-month trailing earnings per share ng stock as well as yung kanyang price to earnings ratio. So you can actually sort this one also. Next, price to book ratio as well. Check the book value per share and its price to book ratio. And then also yung kanyang price to sales. So 12-month trailing sales and also yung kanyang price to sales ratio. So basically, if you're into fundamentals, no, so you just head over sa analytics tab and then fundamentals. To add, we have a webinar that is entitled Basic Education on Stock Trading. So basically, the dividend yield, price to earnings, price to book ratio, and price to sales, it is being explained sa best series natin. So I believe the next best webinar will be next quarter. So it's a 3-part webinar series, no, conducted by Mr. JP Billones or Ms. Manette Pangatungan. So next, we have here the consensus tab. So again, consensus tab, it will just basically show you, no, the analyst ratings and price targets for PSE listed stocks. So if you don't have an idea pa kung anong stocks yung bibilhin ninyo, so you can actually head over sa consensus tab. So what you will see here is the consensus rating, average target price, and the potential profit and loss. So basically, yung consensus rating natin, the stocks are ranked from strong buy to strong sell. So actually, strong buy is a 5, strong sell is a 1. So from here, you can check no kung anong stocks yung merong consensus rating na almost 5. So sabihin natin itong Ali. So as per analyst, Ali has a rating of 4.83 because the average target price of Ali is 39.56. So if ever nakabili kayo ng Ali sa base sa last price na 23 pesos, and then umabot siya sa target price na 39.56, and then you have a potential profit of 0.72%. It is also one way, no, to check kung ano yung consensus rating ng mga stocks na hawak ninyo. So, depende if you've created a watch list ng inyong portfolio. So, you can just filter, no, dito sa ating drop-down button. click on the portfolio. So you will be able to see kung ano yung consensus rating ng stocks na hawak ninyo. Pero also, it is one way to check kung ano yung mga stocks na strong buy. So actually, we have here, madami din. We have Ali, BPI, Converge, and JFC. And then you can also check yung kanilang potential profit and loss. So basically, that's our stats tab. And then we are also done with the quotes tab. So next, let's head over na sa ating research tab. Okay, so sa research tab, actually, you have here first the company and the first metro sec. So under company, you will see this is where you'll find everything you need to know about the company, no? From its profile. So we have here a summary. So yung market capitalization, yeah, the valuation, and as well as the first MetroSec reports, if meron tayong reports. And then we also have here the technicals and fundamentals. So we have here the valuation. You can check the valuation of the company in the last 5 years, and as well as the financials. So dividend history as well, if yung company gives out dividends, no? Good thing, the valuation, financials, and dividend history, you can export this data, no? So that you can check further. So under the dividend history tab, you will see here yung kanyang ex date, and then the record date, and the date of payment. Okay, and then the disclosures as well. So next, we have here the consensus. So again, consensus, kung ano yung mga tingin ng analyst, no, sa SM. So for analyst, SM is a strong buy. It's almost 5. Because as per them, yung average price ni SM is 1,106.10. And it is currently trading at 800 pesos. So below that, we have the profile of the company. So it's about, and then its board members, contact info, and then the website. And also yung stats. So again, it's more of yung price performance and the volume activity ng company. Okay, and then next we have here the first MetroSec research reports. So this is where you'll find reports, no, from our research team to help you with your trading decisions. So we've got a variety of reports packed with insights. So isa-isahin natin siya ngayon na. So the first one, we also, of course, we have here the weekly report. So I'm just gonna show you the weekly report, and I'm gonna change tabs. Okay. So basically this is the weekly report. Now the weekly report, it is being published, no, every Monday before the market opens. So this report gives you a big picture or view of what happened sa market the past week, and also what could possibly happen sa market this week. So this is, the report is titled The Market Print. So ito yung report as of April 7. So first, you will see the market performance. So you have here, ito yung movement ng PSEI, yung trends ng sectors, and as well as the top movers, especially yung mga foreign buying and selling. So we also have here, no, the economic data. Ito sa baba. So usually yung data from US na global manufacturing, as well as yung economic data from the Philippines. And next, we have here the stock recommendations naman sa next page. Pero before that, this paragraph here, the first paragraph basically tells you kung ano yung nangyari sa market last week, the previous week, no? And then the next paragraph, we have here what could possibly happen sa market this week. So if ever merong news related sa market, especially yung tariffs, no? And then ito naman yung mga key data releases this week na usually binabantayan that could actually affect the market movement. And then on the next pages, we have here the stock recommendations. So you will see 3 stocks. Ito sila. So we have here 3 stocks for the week. and then yung kanilang recommendations from our research team. On the next pages, you will see here the technical analysis. So you will just basically see the key support and resistance level. On the next pages, you will see the earnings report. So these are just updates from major companies. So again, this report is being published every Monday before the market opens. So actually, it is really recommended that you check this report para at least you have guidance on yung mga trading actions ninyo and the trading plans. Next naman I'm gonna show you is the daily reports. Okay. Yeah, so this is the daily report. It's titled What's Brewing. So the daily report, it is published every Tuesday to Friday before the market opens as well. So this one, it gives you a quick daily snapshot of what's happening in the market. So including, first one, we have here the equities summary and outlook. So this is like how the PSCI and key sectors are performing. Next, we have here stock calls for the day. Also, it's a recommendation. And then on the next pages, you will see the global and local news. So, identifier siya, no? Kung ano yung mga market moving events, tapos yung mga tariff-related concerns, and as well as yung mga economic updates. On the next pages naman, so more of the news, and then also the earnings summary. So mga major companies natin. And then on the last page, we have here the economic. Wait, let me just quickly. Yan. So we have here the corporate and economic calendar. So we have here the upcoming earnings and also the key market events sa market, both local and then international. So basically, that is the daily report being published every Tuesday up to Friday. So another report we have is the company report. So let me just share the company report. Okay. Yeah, so I hope everyone is okay, no? I think nasa half part na tayo ng ating navigation. So again, this is the company report. Now, the company report, it gives you a deep dive into the specific company's performance as well as yung outlook and then the investment potential. So the latest one we have is from RLC. So you can check its recommendation. It also covers yung earnings review ng company. So how the company is performing financially, as well as yung kanyang growth drivers, no? So you will see what's fueling its success, and also if they have plans, no, for expansion and then future goals. So it is also included sa report. And then on the next pages din naman is yung kanyang investment recommendation. So whether it is a buy, sell, or hold. So basically, yun yung ating company report. So if you want to check lang on the specific report, no, about the company, so you just head over to this company report. So another report we have is the technical analysis. Okay, so basically, technical analysis is for those who wants to spot market trends using the technical indicators. Okay, so if you just explore this report, you will see technical events like key patterns like the moving average, RSI, MACD, and yung mga momentum signals. You will also see yung mga bullish and bearish signals, no? So if you are checking on a stock that might break out or break down, so you can check this report. And as well as yung trading opportunities na din. So both stocks na short term and long term, as well as yung mga intermediate term, if you are looking for some trading opportunities, so you can actually explore this report. This is perfect, no, for those who love charts and timing their trades. So we also have here the technical events report. So the next report we have is the consensus corner. So again, if kanina you just saw lang a few stocks, this consensus corner is will show you lahat ng stocks and their consensus rating. So again, the consensus corner, it is your go-to for checking investment opportunities based on analysts and their price targets for the PSE listed stocks. So again, we have here the consensus target price. So yung consensus target price, ito yung analyst projected stock prices. And then consensus rating, again, the stocks are ranked from strong buy to strong sell. And then you also have here dividend yield and valuations. So this includes your PE ratios and as well as yung dividend yield. And then the report is also meron siyang sector breakdown, no? So it covers classifications or stocks across holding firms, just like this one, property, financials, industrial, and services. And then sa next pages naman, you will see the consensus corner of stocks na under the mid-cap. And then next pages, you have here yung mga dividend yield stocks, and then the property stocks, and the mining and oil. So basically, all of the sectors, nandito siya sa consensus corner. So again, investment opportunities. If wala pa kayong idea kung anong stock yung bibilhin ninyo, or if ever na meron na kayong stock and then you wanna check yung kanyang consensus rating, no, if it's strong sell ba or hold, you can check the consensus. Next report we have is the stock screen. So, stock screen. This helps you identify investment opportunities by categorizing stocks into 3 key themes. So the themes we have, first, riding the flows, and then we have the unloved, and then yield seeker. So for riding the flows, these are stocks with high liquidity and strong foreign investor interest, as well as solid earnings growth. So from here, you will see basically 5 stocks ito sila. So let me just this one. So the stocks under riding the flow, so we have here Flex Mining, AG Plus, Ayala Corp, Converge, and Manila Electric Corporation. So again, high liquidity with foreign visibility and strong earnings expectations. Next is we have the unloved. So unloved, these are growth stocks that are undervalued but have potential, strong potential value, no? So ito yung mga mura. So again, we have RLC, Bloomberry, JGS, Apex Mining, and PLDT. And then lastly, sa stock screen is we have the yield seeker. So again, yield seeker, these are stocks with high dividend yield and steady dividend growth. So again, if you want to check, no, if you are a dividend investor, so you can actually explore yung stock screen report under yield seeker. So we have here URC, PLDT, RLC, AREIT, and the Robinsons Land. You will see actually, no, if you just zoom in, makikita ninyo yung target price, yung kanyang dividend yield, and then yung kanyang code and the support and resistance. So again, if wala pa kayong idea kung anong stock yung bibilhin or i-add sa portfolio, you can check the stock screen report. And then last of the report, we have here the Trader's Playbook. So again, Trader's Playbook, isa to sa mga famous reports, no, ng First Metro Securities Research Team. Okay, so let's just hide this one. Ayan. So this one is the Trader's Playbook report. This is a report by the First Metro Securities Research Team that provides analysis and recommendations on Philippine stocks. So it is company specific. So it covers first stock overview. So it's a deep dive into the company's business, performance, and future prospects. index. So you have here the recommendations of our research team, no? And then the positions. You will see here kung ano yung nangyari sa company. So what happened sa Bloom, and as well as yung overview ng aming research team. You will also see here kung sino yung research analyst na nag-create nung report. And then lastly, you have here the recommendation. Next is we have the technical analysis. So these are just insights sa price trends, the key support and resistance levels, and as well as the momentum indicators nung company or nung stock. And then we have here the trading strategy. So we have here the analysis and the trading plan. So basically, ito lang yung recommendation, no, when to buy, sell, or take profit. So for example, ito, we have here the recommendation ng Bloom. So to lighten position, to protect yourself against the potential unfavorable impacts of index deletion. So again, the trader's playbook actually is very useful, no? It's a great tool for traders looking for timely market opportunities kasi nga the report is company specific. So again, these are just one of the report we have, no? So first, Metro Securities Research tab. So let me just share again the platform. Okay, so those are the reports we have from the weekly report, daily report, company specific, and then technicals, consensus corner, and then the trader's playbook. So another report we have naman is yung reports related or published sa PSE Edge. So next, company report. So collated lang ito siya na report, no, per company. So you can actually filter if you want to check reports from based sa sector, and then the fundamental report, and then target price if meron, and then yung kanyang call to action or yung kanyang consensus rating if buy, sell, or hold ba siya. So all reports, we have here all of the reports, no, in one view. Again, filter if you want to check or if you want to view lang the daily report, trader's playbook ba, or company report, or stock screen. If you want it also to be stock specific, so you just input lang. So sabihin natin JFC. So these are all the reports published for JFC. Okay, basically, that's research report. So again, makikita ninyo sa research report yung mga trading opportunities, as well as you can check also if yung company gives out dividends. Okay, so next, let's head over naman sa ating chart. So sa first MetroSec platform, you can actually access 3 types of charts, no? So we have here the first one, the dynamic chart. So this is powered by Technistock. So it is basically, basic lang siya, the chart. So again, the time frames, we have 1 day, 1 month, 3 months. And then the type of chart, no? If you want line, bar, or candlestick. So the most famous one, we have the candlestick. So actually, quick glance lang itong dynamic chart. So to check for a stock, so you just click the drop down and then input the stock. So sabihin natin Ali. Yan. So ito yung chart ni Ali. Next is we have naman the interactive chart. Okay. So let me change the view. Yan. So this is the interactive chart. This is powered by TradingView. Now, this is the most common type of chart, no, you'll see. So it is packed with essential tools for technical analysis. So because this is where you'll find yung mga technical indicators and the drawing tools that will help you analyze yung price movements as well as yung trends with ease. So to start, if you want to check lang a stock, so just click this magnify or search icon, no? So just check, sabihin natin JFC ulit. So just click on JFC. And then if you wanna change the time frame, so this is JFC already. So meron tayong from the minutes to hour, per day, 1 week, and 1 month. And then if you wanna change the type of chart. So bar chart, candles, and hollow candles. So the most common, we have the candles. And then the technical indicators. So again, actually, sample na ito siya. So let's just close this one. Okay. Ayan. So ito yung raw file nung JFC chart. If you want to check, sabihin natin if you want to check lang the moving average, so you just click this indicator and then add moving average. So this one. Okay, so ito na yung moving average. And then to edit, actually you can click on this settings tab, no? And then edit based on the length. Depende sa iyo if you want the 200 ba, the 100, or the 50. Another indicator, sabihin natin if you want the RSI. So you just type RSI or Relative Strength Index, and then eto na siya sa baba. And then you can also save this chart, no, by clicking this one. Actually, naka-auto-save na ito siya since demo account namin ito. So if you want, so you just click on this save layout, or you can just make a copy. So basically, madami naman ting tutorials, no, on how to explore or plot sa ating interactive chart. Usually yung tutorials na sa TradingView website. So basically, yun yung ating interactive chart. So another chart we have is the chart pattern, or ito yung chart pattern recognition. So let me share this one. So sana okay siya ngayon, no? Kasi minsan naglo-load. Okay. So this one, we have the chart pattern recognition, or the chart pattern recognition known as Recognia because it is powered by Recognia. So this feature automates charting compared dun sa interactive chart na medyo manual. Ito siya, you don't have to plot patterns manually. So from here, you can actually view the most bullish chart, no? And as well as yung bearish chart. So makikita ninyo yung market trends instantly. You can also use the screener. So just check lang. So ito yung most viewed. So naka-automatic na siya. So you don't have to plot na the chart. Medyo naglo-load lang siya. So from here, you will be able to explore the chart na, and then you have here the support and resistance as well as yung stop price recommendation. Okay, so you can also check the screener. So with the screener, you can actually filter stocks, no, based on the details that you need. So we have here a lot of filters, no, if you want BSE, and then if you want to check, ito yung mga long-term ba, uptrend, downtrend, also the industry, and then the opportunity type. So actually, you can explore this one. You can also create a watch list, no, to track your favorite charts easily. And then alert center. This is where you set notifications for technical events, price changes, or trailing stops. So to add some stocks, no, let's try going this one. So homepage. Yan, sa PhilInvest. Okay, if you want to add PhilInvest sa inyong alert notification, so you just click this bell icon, and then you select the alert type if you want it technical related ba or price alert. Kunwari, meron kayong target price na hinihintay sa PhilInvest. So you can actually set that. They also have here if it drops below ba or if it rises above. And then you enter the price, no, kung ano yung hinihintay ninyo na price. And then you have to name it, of course, no, para easy for you to identify kung anong klaseng notification siya. And then you set the alert or you click this one. So if ever na-hit na yung price, you will just receive an email, no? Doon sa registered email address ninyo, if ever na-hit na yung target price na prefer ninyo. Another thing we have is the Learn Technical Analysis. So sana okay ito siya. Okay. So hindi siya working as of now. Pero basically, sa Learn Technical Analysis section, it has short videos and quizzes, no, to help you sharpen your skills especially dun sa technical side ng investing. So actually, it is a great tool for both beginners and as well as experienced traders. Meron din siyang exercises after each volume. So basically, kung gusto nilang matuto about technicals, you can actually explore this technical insight and yung learn technical analysis. And also, yun yung ating chart tab. So again, sa chart, we have dynamic, interactive, and chart pattern recognition or yung ating recognition. So again, if you have, since you have na the information no, sa quotes and then you've done some research, made some research and check the charts as well. So you can actually trade na. So by going to the trade tab, you have here, if gusto na ninyong mag-buy and sell ng stock, it's very simple. So you just go here sa trade and then new order. And then you input the stock code. So if you are not familiar sa stock code, you can actually click this drop-down button. So you have here are all the listed stocks. So sabihin natin JFC. So parang favorite na natin si JFC, no? So if you wanna buy JFC, you input the stock code, you input the volume. If ever hindi kayo familiar sa board lot, you can click this drop down. So again, it is being traded in tens, no? Multiple of 10. So sabihin you wanna buy 100 shares of JFC, so volume is 100 for the price. Again, if you will buy JFC, you have to check no the ask side. So yung best price is we have 217. So you can either click this ask volume or input directly yung price. And then set the expiry. So if it's good till day ba or good till week. And then the market, so normal. Actually, we have two, normal and odd lot. Odd lot is yung mga butal natin na mga transactions. So if ever meron kayong JFC na sabihin natin 5, tapos gusto ninyong ibenta, so you have to change the market to odd lot. And then odd lot is only available pag open yung market. So next, you have to select the limit, no? So it's, or the type, so it's limit type, and then the value. So if you hover your mouse dito sa numbers, sa ating value, ito yung charges breakdown, and then the net amount. So to confirm your order, click on buy, and then you just provide your password. Okay, so from that, by default, you will see the top 10 bid and ask, or if ever medyo madami yung numbers for you, you can actually select yung top 5. You also have here yung mga time transactions. And then yung current price na JFC as well as yung kanyang price quotation. And then if ever you've submitted your order and you wanna review it, you just head over sa View Orders tab. So you have here filters if you want to check ba yung mga open orders, match orders, canceled or rejected. And then stock specific if medyo madami kayong binenta no or nabiling stocks. So you can actually filter based on the stock and then both sides if it's buy or sell. Okay, so I guess walang hindi ata nakita. Okay, ayan. Sorry. So again, let me just quickly review lang no sa trade tab. So if ever gusto niyo nang bumili ng stock, so you just head over sa trade, new order. You input the stock code. If you are not familiar, you have the drop down here. So you can just click the stock, no? So say JFC, again, the sample kanina. If you wanna start buying na and not familiar with the volume, you can click this drop down. So you can trade JFC in multiples of 10. And then you input the price. So the best price is 217. Again, if bibili kayo, you have to check the ask side. So you can either input the 217 pesos dito sa price or click lang yung ask volume. And then select the expiry. So we have good till day, good till week, and good till month. And then the market. So again, just like what I said, we have two types of market. The normal and the odd lot. Yung odd lot is yung mga butal sales natin. Since Jollibee is trading in multiples of 10, if ever bibili or bebenta kayo ng sabihin natin less than 10, so you have to select odd lot. So you have here the charges breakdown, the type of order, and then you have if you are okay with the order, no, you just click buy, confirm by entering your password. And then check your orders dito sa view orders tab. So you have here conditional orders as well. And then if you want to check your history. So again, under history, you have here the history of your orders in the last, siguro if you want to check yung last 45 days, so you can view it here. Sa ledger tab naman, this is where you see the transaction sa account ninyo. So ito yung ins and outs. So the transactions you will see here last 60 days. So kunwari, nag-fund kayo sa First Metrosec account, nag-withdraw kayo, and then merong pumasok na dividend. So the data or yung details nun, available siya sa ledger tab. Okay? And then if ever meron na kayong portfolio or meron na kayong stocks, you can just easily check them sa portfolio tab. So again, First Metro Securities, multi-asset platform, you can invest in stocks, funds, and bonds. So under stocks, you can check all of your stocks, no? Funds, if you have funds, and as well as bonds. So you can actually invest in retail treasury bonds, government bonds, treasury bills. We conducted webinar about treasury bill 2 days ago ata. So if you're interested, so you can actually have one and purchase through First Metro Securities. And then you also have here yung mga customized view no ng ating stocks. So you have here consolidated your portfolio sa stocks, funds as well, and then the bonds. So it's a combination of the donut chart, and then you have here yung day profit and loss. If you want naman na medyo line chart siya, so you have here as well. Actually, blank lang siya kasi nga demo account ito. So you can check 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year-to-date, or 1 year ninyo na performance ng portfolio. Another combination of the donut chart and then the line chart. Okay, so basically, we're almost done, no? So sana okay pa ang lahat. And then, let's head over naman sa ating funds tab. Okay, so again, you can invest in funds through First Metro Securities. Okay, so here, yeah. So we have first the home tab. Under home tab, you will see all of the funds available. You can check funds under equity, balance, bond, money market, and value. So from this tab, you can identify no, kung ano yung fund type niya, if it's UITF or mutual fund. And then the minimum initial subscription as well as yung addition. So basically, you just need 1,000 pesos. No? Yun lang yung minimum na investment sa funds. And then if ever first time ninyo to subscribe to a fund, you first have to update your investor risk profile. So to do that, you just have to click update my risk profile and you will be redirected sa client suitability assessment form. Now, it's simple question lang, no? So you just answer all of this and then you submit after. So you will see if you are aggressive type of investor ba, conservative, or moderate. Now, if you are actually using the platform, the FundSmart home, no, I advise to explore FundSmart and then performance. This is where you can easily compare yung performance ng funds. We have here in the last 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years, or yearly. So kumbaga, if ever wala pa kayong idea kung anong fund yung gusto ninyong or what fund you want to subscribe, so you can actually apply these filters. So we have here type of fund, so mutual fund ba siya or UITF, the asset type, depende no. If you want yung balance lang ba, o bond, equity, or money market. Currency, so you can invest in peso and dollar denominated funds, as well as yung providers natin. So these are our providers, no? So Atram, BPI, Metro Bank as well, meron siya, Manulife and Sun Life and other top providers. So just an idea, no? Usually I go sa yearly tab and then from here, I'll check the year-to-date performance of the fund. So Also, we have this one, Atram, a fund from Atram with yung current performance na year to date is 9.37. So if I click this one, I will be redirected sa research tab where you will see the fund profile. So from here, you will see the fund overview, yung kanyang provider, the asset type, yung kanyang benchmark, and the objective. You will also see the fee information and then the performance of the fund. And then you have here a quick glance of the chart nung fund. So year to date, 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years. And then you will see top holdings under this fund. So DigiPlus, Manila Water, Philippine 7 Corporation, and RLC. So again, ito yung mga companies under this fund. You will also see yung fund allocation. Now, if you like this fund, if you want to subscribe, the subscribe button is actually accessible, So you just click on the upper right part, itong subscribe button. And then you will be redirected na sa ating new instructions tab. So again, you need 1,000 pesos. Yun lang yung kanyang minimum investment. So you just input the amount and then click on subscribe. And then actually demo account lang ito siya kaya merong error. Pero if you have enough funds naman, so you can actually and easily subscribe to this fund. Confirm lang by providing your first MetroSec password. So again, if you want to diversify your investment, stocks, you can also invest in funds. And then you can also check your portfolio, if ever meron na kayong holdings nung funds na yun. And then lastly, before I end this navigation, let's head over sa account tab naman. So under account tab, this is where you will see kung paano mag-deposit, if you want to withdraw, as well as meron tayong corporate actions. So here, deposits, we actually have real-time cash in na I think it's BPI. And then you can actually click this one either, then you will be redirected, I think, sa online banking. So there are ways actually to deposit either bills payment or over the counter. Another is if you want to make withdrawals, so you just head over dito sa withdrawals tab. So demo account lang ito siya, pero if ever, you will see your withdrawable funds. Again, the cutoff is 12 noon. So if ever you request for withdrawal past 12 noon, it will be processed the next trading day na. So corporate actions, if you want to subscribe sa IPO, and if ever merong ongoing tender offers, so just like this one, stock rights offering and follow-on offerings. And then we have here the reports tab. Okay, so actually the reports tab, this is where all the documents related to your account can be retrieved. So statement of account, you have access to your statement of account, credit memo, and then debit memo as well. Check voucher is if ever meron kayong withdrawals, So you can actually print or download those documents dito sa ating reports tab or statement tab. If ever naman that you want to request for specific statement of account na sabihin nating more than 12 months, you can just email customer service. Kasi yung mga available lang is yung last 12 months. Okay, so going back to our platform, actually that's it, We are actually done with the website navigation. Another thing before pala, the FAQs tab is also available. So if you wanna check lang on some of the details like account maintenance or if you have questions, you can actually head over sa ating First Metro Securities Help Center. Can also check the details of our number and then the location of our offices since meron tayong office sa Cebu and sa Davao. And I am from Davao City then. Okay, so I guess we are all done, So let me just go back to my presentation. And again, I hope you have some questions. I will be answering them later. So you can just key in sa ating Q&A panel. So let me just, okay. So yeah, so basically that's the First Metro Securities navigation. And before we head over to Q&A, let me just share a few things about First Metro Securities. So again, we have here, yes, we have here FundSmart. So FundSmart is First Metro Securities Investment Fund Supermarket, no, which empowers you to invest in the country's top peso and dollar-denominated mutual funds and UITF. So just like what I said kanina, ito yung aming mga partners. So Atram, BPI Wealth, Sun Life, PhilEquity, Manulife, ALFM, and Philam Asset. So you can actually explore the FundSmart tab. So we just want a minimum of 1,000 pesos, and then there's no sales charge. Kasi if you go sa directly, no, sa ibang fund partners, meron silang service charge. So you can select to at least or more than 130 mutual funds to invest. Okay? And also, if you want to invite us for a free financial education session, you can just email us and we will create a tailored session for individuals, small groups, employees, students, and also if meron kayong event. So you can just email us at marketeducation@firstmetrosecurities.com.ph. Now, don't miss out on the rest of our events for the month of April. So if you want to join, you just scan the QR code and you just register. So we are actually done with the first 4 events. We have 4 remaining events as well. And also, we have here a gift. So if you are looking to level up your trading skills, whether if it's mastering fundamental analysis or valuation or becoming a pro in technical analysis, I highly recommend signing up for the gift class that is led by Mr. Aaron Sai. So actually, you can just scan the QR code to learn more about gift or guided investor fearless trader. So this one, para siyang class, it's a module. It's a 3-part class that focuses on fundamental, technical, and it will also help you build your own trading system. And also, if you want to stay connected with us, you can just follow us on social media by simply scanning the QR code or simply searching the official handle at First Metro Sec. So if you want insider tips as well as market updates and news, so we post it here sa aming mga social media platforms. And also if you prefer quick market insights, you can check our Spotify podcast for some bite-sized investing content. So meron kami dito mga 3 to 5 minutes na audible na pwede ninyong pakinggan siguro kahit na nagda-drive or naglalaba or kahit na yung parang background noise lang siya. So basically that's it. We are now at the Q&A part of our session. So if ever you have questions, you can actually chat them sa ating Q&A chat box or sa ating here, Zoom na Q&A panel. So if ever you have questions, you can just type it here. Let me just check lang sa ating chat box din. So if ever naman you have siguro questions after this webinar, you are actually free to email our customer support at customerservice@firstmetrosecurities.com.ph. As well as if you are interested in investing sa bonds, just like what I said kanina, na you can invest in treasury bills. You can email fixedincome@firstmetrosecurities.com.ph. I also suggest you join our webinars, lalo na yung about bonds and also the market outlook. If you just want some insider updates, na actually makahelp talaga siya sa inyong investing journey. So again, I think we are actually, it's already 7:31, no? So thank you so much to everyone, no, for staying. I'll wait. I'm just checking our chat box. Yes, thank you so much, Miss Shirley, no, for that feedback. So while we wait for your questions, let me just share this feedback form from us. So this is just a quick favor, no? Since we love to hear your feedback, this is also one way for us to make our webinars even better. So you can just simply scan the QR code or click the link, no, that Miss Hazel will be sharing sa ating chat box. So I think it will just take a minute, no? So just share your thoughts if you have questions, if you have some pending tickets as well sa ating customer service. So maybe I can help in sharing them and checking up on yung status, no? So you can just scan the QR code. So before that, let me just go back. Yan. So actually, a quick link has been shared, no, sa ating feedback form. Okay. So actually, it's kind of late. It's already 7:33. So again, baka yung iba dito, wala din talagang questions. If ever, you can just, again, email our customer service at firstmetrosecurities.com.ph. Okay, so we have here a question from Mr. Paul Aquino. What's the difference po of the day profit and loss and the unrealized profit and loss? So basically, yung day profit and loss is good lang for the trading day. And then yung unrealized profit and loss ninyo is yung kung ano yung profit and loss ng buong portfolio ninyo na unrealized lang. So meaning hindi pa siya na bebenta or na withdraw. So again, yung day profit and loss is only good for the day na profit and loss. Pero yung unrealized is yung buong stock niyo na talaga. So I guess, I hope no that's clear, Sir Paul. And then, okay. So let me check as well yung ating, ayun. So meron pala siya sa ating Q&A. Okay. All right. So any more questions from our attendees? Okay. So for Ma'am Lin or Miss Lindy, no, Miss Hazel actually shared a quick link ng ating webinar registrations. Okay, so thank you so much, no, in advance since you've shown interest sa aming mga webinars. You can actually share our webinars, no. It is also being posted sa official YouTube and also social media pages na. Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna hold you for too long na din. So again, if you have questions, do not hesitate to email our customer service and as well as siguro call our hotlines. Okay, so I guess I'll properly end the webinar. So again, thank you so much everyone for staying. I hope no, that you learned better and also you learned a lot no, on how to navigate the First Metro Securities platform. Anyway, we have videos actually, no? If gusto nyo lang balikan yung mga other informations, we have videos uploaded sa aming official YouTube channel. So navigation then about the First Metrosec Go, My, Pro, and the Classic as well. And other webinars na din na you can watch on your convenience. Okay, so again, thank you so much everyone for staying. Thank you, Sir Paul. Thank you, Miss Lindy, and also to Miss Shirley. So again, everyone, we look forward to your participation on our next webinar. Because here in First Metro Securities, we want you to invest in knowledge and we put your future first. So again, thank you so much and have a great evening. Thank you.